Hi everyone, I'm Falak and I just completed my grade 10th. In fact, I got done with boards like a week ago and they went pretty good. I'm expecting a very good result, above 97% for sure. And on this channel, I'm going to be sharing all my tips, tricks, secrets, like my journey right from the beginning to ensure that this grade goes smoothly for you all and not only for 10th but also for people who have entered grade ninth. My videos are going to be very helpful for you, so let's get into it. Now the first point of discussion, that how to study and when to start studying. Personally, I started studying for my exams during September to October, like from September October, जब स्कूल में सिलेबस कंप्लीट होगा तो उसके बाद ही मैंने स्टार्ट किया था प्री बोर्ड्स के टाइम पे. एंड नॉर्मली उसी टाइम पे करते हैं, सो दैट्स फाइन. एंड आई वुड रिकमेंड दैट यू रफली प्लान आउट योर ईयर बिफोर हैंड. ठीक है, योर टीचर विल टेल यू कि किस किस मंथ में कौन से एग्जाम होंगे. आई एम प्रिटी श्योर कि यू विल हैव सम टेस्ट सीरीज, थोड़े से एक्स्ट्रा एग्जाम्स होंगे. ठीक है, जस्ट टू गिव यू मोर प्रैक्टिस. तो जस्ट रफली प्लान आउट योर ईयर कि इस मंथ तक मेरा ये पोर्शन कंप्लीट हो जाना चाहिए, इस मंथ तक ये हो जाना चाहिए. एंड डू नॉट स्किप एनी टेस्ट सीरीज, एग्जाम और प्री बोर्ड. Like I gave a total of 7 exams before my main board exams, which were 3 pre-boards, 1 midterm, 2 PTs and 1 test series. So, and I'm glad I did. Don't skip any of them because 10th is all about practice. Syllabus इतना ज़्यादा है नहीं. ठीक है, the more you practice, the more papers you solve, उतना your board exams will go better. And secondly, make notes right from the starting. ठीक है, स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द सेशन से नोट्स बनाना. एंड पर्सनली व्हाट आई डिड, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द रेगुलर नोट्स चैप्टर के, आई यूज टू लुक एट PYQs ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर एंड डू देम इन माई नोटबुक्स. ठीक है, पुराने साल के क्वेश्चन पेपर्स निकालो, 2022 के, 2023 के, 4 के, 5 के. एंड उनमें उस चैप्टर के जो क्वेश्चंस है ना, वो अपनी नोटबुक में कर लो. ठीक है, सो दैट वुड बी लाइक वेरी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू, स्पेशली इन SST एंड साइंस. नाउ फॉर एन एडेड बेनिफिट, आई वुड रिकमेंड कि क्लास में जब तुम्हें जो भी टॉपिक पढ़ा रहे हैं एनी सब्जेक्ट, व्हेन यू कम होम, वॉच अ यूट्यूब वीडियो ऑन दैट चैप्टर. यू कैन रेफर एनी टीचर. ठीक है, सारे ही अच्छे हैं. जस्ट वॉच इट वाइल दैट टॉपिक इज गोइंग ऑन इन क्लास. डोंट रिलाई ऑन यूट्यूब वीडियोज़ वन नाइट बिफोर द एग्जाम. ठीक है, जब वो क्लास में जब वो टॉपिक चल रहा है तब साथ साथ अगर तुम वो यूट्यूब वीडियोज़ को रेफर करोगे, इट विल बी लाइक 10 times more helpful for you. Now about the extra study material. Personally, I did not refer to many guidebooks or anything. All I practiced were PYQs, previous year question papers, and वो जितने हो सके कर लेना, because like they will be more than enough. They are the best source of practice in grade 10th. So just do as many PYQs as you can. And for maths and science, you should do some competency focused questions. There's a site on NCERT called CFPQ, competency focused practice questions. So do practice those questions before your exam. The next question is whether I took any tuition or coaching, whether it's required in grade 10th or not. So personally, I did not take any tuition of any subject throughout my school life actually. And 10th में भी मेरे को I thought कि मुझे need होगी, but it wasn't required at all. I agree that maths में maybe you can need some tuition because maths is all about practice, and in tuitions and coaching you get like a regular practice throughout the year. तो maths की you can take. उसके अलावा तो I really don't think that you need tuitions for any subject. But if you're taking them, then that's fine. You can continue with them. Now to address the biggest myth about grade 10th, which is कि you won't get time to do any extracurricular activities and it's all about पढ़ाई पढ़ाई पढ़ाई. But that is not at all true. In fact, grade 10th can be one of the most productive years of your school life in terms of academic and co-academic activities. Like it's a great time for you to explore co-curricular activities because as I said earlier, the syllabus is not that vast and इतना tough भी नहीं है. So you'll get ample amount of time to do all these activities, provided that you plan out your year roughly. I personally did a lot of MUNs and competitions, dance events. I even hosted a science fest at our school. I learned how to play the ukulele all in grade 10th. So I would highly recommend that you do all these activities and build your portfolio. So with this brief introduction about grade 10th, we come to the end of our video. I hope that you all feel a little more confident and have more clarity about grade 10th now. I'm going to be posting related content throughout the year in detail, so stay tuned and all the best. Bye.